Hello, I'm Doug Farnham, Adjutant General for the state of Maine. I just wanted to take a few moments to address some frequently asked questions that we've been hearing about the National Guard and COVID-19. Sometimes, if people are unfamiliar with how the National Guard works, they think of our involvement in local responses as being pretty black and white. Either we're all still in civilian status, or all 3,000 of us are in uniform and in formation the next day. However, that's not exactly how it works. The Governor's Emergency Declaration gives us the ability to bring people under state active duty in response to COVID-19. And we do have some people on that type of orders augmenting our operations and planning staff. In that regard, yes, the Guard is activated and participating in operational planning processes. We will keep Maine informed on the status of future operations within your communities. Equipment is one thing that the National Guard brings to the table. As of the date of this video, we have provided tents, lighting, and HVAC to the VA Maine Healthcare Facility at Togus for their external triage unit. We have provided additional respirators to Bangor's Northern Light Eastern Maine Medical Center and Portland Fire Department. Also, as we're putting this video together, a small team of guardsmen is finishing up an inventory of medical supplies for Maine CDC. Those are the missions that Maine Emergency Management Agency, or MEMA, has provided us thus far, and we are taking all necessary steps to ensure we're prepared for any additional tasks, big or small. Despite recent conversations, we have not received and do not expect to receive any orders to participate in any action on our Canadian border. Just remember to rely on official sources when getting information about the National Guard, because let's face it, there's a lot of misinformation out there. State laws on the use of the Guard differ, and just because the National Guard is performing a certain type of mission in one state doesn't mean that it's happening in Maine. It can be alarming to hear that the National Guard is being tasked with a mission, perhaps because it adds gravity to the situation. But remember, we are not an outside force. We are your friends and neighbors, teachers, first responders, parents, students, workers of every trade and more. We are community members ourselves, and we signed up, whether 20 years ago or just last month, to help out in times just like this. Stay safe, follow the Maine CDC's advice, and take care of each other like Mainers always do. And remember that the Maine National Guard is always ready, always there.